Hello everyone, today I would like to show you a GBC Fusion 1100L laminator. So it looks like this. And this is very elegant and really very simple and really fast laminator. Warm up time is about 4 minutes, and it's possible to use 75 or 125 microns. And we look at the lamination speed, but before I will tell you that it's possible printing laminate here pages A4 and also A3. So we can try to laminate A4 page, and we will calculate the time for laminating. Okay. So, of course, don't forget to subscribe us. Okay, so good preparation is very important. Okay. And now just we can see here A4 and A3. So somewhere here input and staking paper alone. After that we can see the final products. So I'm measuring the time, seconds. Okay. Okay, done. So we had 55 seconds. So it means one page is 55 seconds. Below than 1 minute. So thank you for the watching, and I hope that you subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Bye.